What's up, Cosmonauts? It's your boy Cosmo, and today we are going to react to the 10th installment of the ASDF series. I have one more to react to, which is the 11th, but without further ado, let's do this.
No!
These keep getting weirder and weirder.
Okay, no joke.
That's the world today. Everything has to be on camera.
To me, yeah. Well, here you go then. Thanks. Hey kids, be ready to draw. Okay then, draw. Okay.
No, we never meant that kind of draw before. I would never trust anyone to shoot an arrow with an apple on my head. Don't play on the street, kids.
I have snake arms. I'm sorry, Jim, but I'm going
Oh, I can't.
No, please.
No guy can ever imagine getting a handy from her.
Is this you? Yeah. Hello. Hi. Hey, here comes that transgender guy. I like trains.
Did he say transgender?
Your wish is granted.
Be careful what you wish for, kids.
You know what I hate? Child murderer. Oh no, here comes one now. Cannonball!
Not exactly what I was thinking right there. Why isn't that on Spotify?
Day of my life.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Not so happy now.
I want my lemon. I don't want to be fat anymore. Now, I'm a cow. Now, I'm a cow.
Did you just say meow meow, I'm a cow?
Hey, you, if you like acid movie, you should probably buy an acid movie t-shirt.
Oh, they got some t-shirts? Somebody kill me, beep beep, I'm a sheep, and I like trains. I think I want to actually get a shirt. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to the 10th ASDF series or video. But please like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Have my post notifications on. Until next time, Cosmonauts.